Good morning, YouTube. I thought I could do a quick welcome to winter, how quickly a Tesla defrosts in the morning. So it's not too bad, but it's definitely frozen. So, yeah, look at those lines. Nice. Right, so we've got the app. It is as simple as this. So as we can see, the car has finished charging through last night, up to 80%. It's been asleep for 6 hours. Just waking the car up. We're going to go to, not in controls, we're going to go to climate. We could warm it up ourselves. You can see the exterior temperature it thinks is 2 degrees. When it wakes up, it'll give us an interior temperature as well. There you go, so it's -1 in the car. If we just push defrost. Now, I'm going to do this live and let's see how fast basically the car is drivable. So, defrosting now, we'll keep an eye on the temperatures and we'll keep an eye on the car and how it's physically looking. So as you can see, it's put both of the front heated seats on. We could actually put the rear ones on as well, maybe, to help. And the heated steering wheel's on. And the air's being blasted around. Right then. You're not used to hearing Teslas make noise, but you'll definitely be able to hear that. That is a Tesla making some noise. Right. Let's hold on and see how it does. So let's try and unlatch the charger already, even though it's been frozen. And also the door handles are frozen as well. So yeah, you can't push that. And that's quite frozen actually. Luckily, as I said in a previous video, I leave my wing mirrors out so that the mechanisms don't get, well, they don't have to work harder than they should do, or maybe break. I mean, I haven't ever heard of them breaking, but look, just leave it like that and then it just works. So you can see the rears going already. Nice. Yeah, that's a better angle. Welcome to the Christmas decks. Silly story about those. We wanted to get some for the guttering because they do look quite nice. The only size box they had left was 2,000. So there is 2,000 light bulbs around there. And the front, look, the front's starting to go already down the bottom. Right, let's go back to the app. That is 2 minutes in. And remember, I'm doing this because I'm about to go to work. So the interior car is 9 degrees already. So it's already gone up 10 degrees. Up to 10 degrees, you can almost see it counting up. It's actually turned the heated seat off at the front. We'll put that back on, why not? And the steering wheel. Go on, get on. Let's have full heat. 12 degrees, you can literally see the interior temperature counting up. It is an unbelievable feature. 13 degrees, that is amazing. Remember this, I'm outside because I'm going to work. You can generally do this from the comfort of your bed. You wake up and you think, oh, it's nice and cozy in here, I'm not getting up. And you can warm it all up. So we can see the windows now. Yeah, that is really starting to melt. Like I said, it's only really up here now. It wasn't stupidly thick, but it was still frozen. And the rears now are pretty much done. So as I said, let's remove the charger. We go back to the home screen, battery heating for optimal temperature. Unlock the charger. There you go, that's gone white already. See if it comes out. Nice. See if that closes. Hopefully. Yeah, good. So that wasn't frozen. With the defrosting process, I am pretty sure that it does obviously everything that moves. So this latch, the wing mirrors and things, and also you'll notice it's quite cute. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but actually the side cameras. So there's cameras here and cameras in the indicators. It's actually a circle. You can see the fact that it's heated up there as well. The rear, the tops obviously don't have anything, but look, I reckon now, look at that, there you go, that's completely gone on this side now. Let's go around t'other side. Remember now we are only 4 minutes into this de-icing process. There's a tiny bit frozen here still, but not a lot. I mean, if you did the windscreen wipers now, that would probably all clear. Let's go back to the rear is completely done now, yeah. Go back to the phone. Interior temperature 24 degrees. Okay, so now it is on fire inside. Remember, this is in live, so in less than 5 minutes, about 4 minutes flat from being very cold inside. The interior temperature is now up to 25 degrees. So the final thing to do is open the door. So let's go and try. So trying to open the door handles. Ah, nice, actually. That is better now. Let's go to the other side because the other side was definitely more frozen earlier. Ah, that one's still solid. Okay, so I don't know if there's a way of like, there you go. Just give it a good tap and it's worked. My only piece of advice, if you do that, make sure that is closed, because when you shut the door, otherwise it won't lock, but it won't kind of latch on properly. But there you go, and that one's opened as well. If not, of course, when you're at the car, you can come back to your phone and use the unlatch button, and it will unlatch the driver's door. You know, while I'm carrying the camera, this little 6-minute video, let's have a little push. Boop, there you go. And if you need to unlatch the car, you can just push that button. And if you go on your quick buttons and it is not in that position, if you click and hold them, it comes up with other options, and I promise you it will be down here somewhere. Okie dokie, so let's see if we can drive it while holding the camera. I'm not very prepared for this. I just saw the car was frozen this morning on the way to work and I thought, oh, this is a good opportunity. So we're in the car, everything's still kicking off. So let's turn everything off, onto a normal kind of volume. And if we just put it in drive, yeah, we are away, happy days. And there's the wipers. Right, folks, there is a pretty quick video on how to de-ice the Tesla in the morning from being absolutely frozen to being perfectly fine to be driving. Obviously, I suppose we would leave it on the screen for a little bit longer and just clear this completely, but you can see there, I can see out lovely through the rears. I can see out lovely. And what's the clock on? 8 minutes. So remember, you can do this from the comfort of your own bed. Stick everything on. There's a little bit of fan noise from the front, but it is as simple as that. Right, guys, have a lovely day. I've seen the time, 7:33 in the morning. I need to get off to this morning brief. All right, cheerio, guys. Have a nice one. Bye-bye.